The Charlton Jenrick i1800E Deep is a versatile fire that can fit in any interior space. A thermostat shows the current room temperature on the app, and you can set a desired temperature for a specific amount of time using the timer function. As well as choosing the mood matching colours for the fire's natural flame effect, you can set the colour of the ultra realistic fuel bed too. Choose from a glowing, natural amber, or take your pick from any one of 12 other shades to match your mood. All easily set using the remote control. You can even set the colours to gradually shift from one shade to another, cycling through the whole palette to create an ever-changing display. This modern feature fireplace gives you the option of installing as a 1, 2 or 3-sided feature by simply removing the relevant side blanking plates. The Charlton & Jenrick iRange electric fire comes with a 5-year extended parts warranty. The first 2 years are parts and labour.